Bitcoin's on absolute fire today, aggressively ripping to the upside, but also pulling back. Some are speculating it's because Elon Musk changed his Twitter bio to one word and one word only, #Bitcoin. But the question is this enough to actually push Bitcoin back up to $42,000 and beyond? Or are the bears just too strong at this moment in time? I'm going to pull up this chart and show you some key things that I'm looking at. Here we have Bitcoin up on the daily chart. And a lot of traders probably had this plotted in as a descending triangle, which is typically a bearish pattern. And I'd say there's a fairly fair case for that. You see this very obvious downsloping resistance right here, and you see this very obvious horizontal right here with literally 7 touch points on it. However, if you look carefully, perhaps there's a bullish pattern also present. When I remove this horizontal right here, and I draw on a new trend line, you can see that perhaps there's actually a falling wedge in play as well. And typically these patterns do break bullish in continuation of the former trend. Could it be that at this point in time, we're actually seeing that play out? We have some very, very strong volume coming in down below, and we see this nice celery stick beginning to come into formation. At the same time, it's getting above the 10 simple moving average, the 21 exponential, and taking out the 30, which taking these moving averages out in one move is very significant. However, I do like to go with daily candle body closures as my confirmations. In other words, I would really like to see this candle close at least above this horizontal here, coming in at 35,558. If Bitcoin is able to do that, I think it's reasonable to think that there's going to be some continuation to at least the bottom side of this liquid zone here, coming in at $40,600. If Bitcoin gets any daily candle body closures in there on increasing volume, then I think it's ready to test the former all-time high back up around the $42,000 mark. If Bitcoin gets some daily candle body closures up above that level, followed by daily candle body opens, and of course, we're going to look at really strong volume to accompany that, then I think Bitcoin's ready for its next major macro leg up. When I toggle down to the RSI, I see the RSI putting in work as well. You can see that it never even got down to the edge of the bearish control zone. And at the time of recording, it is testing the exponential moving average. And it's not unreasonable to think that there would be a little bit of hesitation as the RSI comes into contact with that, as that is a very significant moving average to get above. However, if the RSI is able to get a confirmation closure above that exponential at the same time as closing above this horizontal at 35,500, then I think that is a major point on the bulls, and I would consider that confirmation of at least that test of $40,400. Stochastics are rhyming with the RSI at this point in time as well, as they're rocketing out of the bearish control zone at the time of recording with very aggressive slope to the upside. This is also adding some confluence that the bulls are very present right now and are looking to make an honest attempt to break this thing up to the upside. MACD's had an obvious loss of momentum on the histogram here, and the fast line is now angled up towards the slow line. So things right now at the time of recording are looking good. I don't want to see this candle close below this horizontal here, leaving a nasty wick to the upside, as that would likely constitute that the descending triangle formation is likely still in play. I'd way rather see this resolve as a falling wedge, as that would be a very, very much more of a bullish case for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin does get the daily candle body closure down here, this wick is not going to be a good look, and I'd be looking for Bitcoin to roll over and likely retest the bottom side of the descending triangle formation, and that is coming in around $30,493. So the candle is going to be closing here in about 6 hours from the time of recording, and I'm going to be looking for that crucial candle closure. If that comes in, I'm going to be quite encouraged for more upside action. So hopefully you guys are doing well out there. I hope that this is bringing you in some nice profits. It's nice to see Bitcoin finding support off that 55 as well. There's a lot of confluence going on here within the chart. So hopefully this keeps up, you guys. Anyways, I hope you found some value in today's video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have yourselves a powerful day.